More than 10 billion tons of ballast water are carried by the world's ships each year. All of them containing thousands of species of aquatic animals and plants. All this ballast water containing microorganisms is introduced into the different habitats, with possible hazardous consequences for the local marine ecosystem. In 2009, leading ship owner AP Moller-Maersk, leading pump manufacturer DESMI, and leading water treatment specialists Ultra Aqua joined forces and established DESMI Ocean Guard AS. Based on the combined knowledge of these companies, DESMI Ocean Guard has developed a superior solution for ballast water treatment. DESMI Ocean Guard offers a solution for the removal of living organisms from ballast water, combining high efficiency in all water conditions with low energy consumption. The first treatment step is pressurized filtration. The second treatment step is UV irradiation with low pressure lamps. The third and final treatment step is utilization of the ozone generated by the low pressure UV lamps in the previous step. Finally, the treated water is ready to be directed to the ballast tanks. For additional reasons, DESMI Ocean Guard system also treats the water during deballasting. Tests on board vessels have shown that bacteria especially will live and grow inside the ballast tanks. Eggs may be hatched and some organisms may survive and grow during the weeks, potentially months, that pass before the ballast water is discharged. This means that the ballast water will be contaminated by these bacteria and organisms, regardless of treatment prior to entering the ballast tank. The risk of having too high a level of bacteria or organisms is not acceptable to DESMI Ocean Guard. So a second treatment when deballasting ensures compliance with IMO discharge standards at all times. The DESMI Ocean Guard system treats the ballast water both during uptake and discharge. Let's take a closer look at the system. DESMI Ocean Guard's utilization of mechanical filtration has the benefit of removing larger organisms, therefore reducing the power required for the subsequent disinfection. In addition, this reduces the sediment being released into the ballast tanks, resulting in less ballast tank maintenance and higher system efficiency. The ballast water system consists of the following parts: a filter for removing particles, zooplankton and large algae, UV lamps for generating photolytic inactivating light and photochemical ozone generating light, an ozone injector system for injection of generated ozone into the ballast water flow. The first treatment step is pressurized filtration, which removes most of the organisms above 40 micron as well as the bulk of the sediment in the water. The filter for pressurized systems is available in sizes ranging from 40 cubic meters per hour to 5,400 cubic meters per hour. The filter is self-cleaning, which means that it actively cleans the water during the entire ballasting process. The second treatment step is UV irradiation with low-pressure lamps. The advantage of low-pressure UV lamps is that more than 30% of the energy to the lamps is converted into UVC, which makes the organisms non-viable. Other types of UV lamps convert typically 15 to 18% of the energy into UVC. UV units are the core component of the system. Each unit is capable of treating 100 cubic meters of ballast water per hour. Each UV reactor consists of 9 UV lamps and a housing. This allows each UV reactor to treat 100 cubic meters per hour in salt and brackish water conditions and 75 cubic meters per hour in fresh water. The DESMI Ocean Guard system monitors the salinity of the water and automatically adjusts the flow through each reactor accordingly. The final treatment is the utilization of the ozone generated by the low-pressure lamps. Ozone is a highly efficient disinfectant, and by using the UV lamps to generate it, it comes at almost no extra cost. The ozone level is too small to be a problem for ballast tank coatings, but high enough to give that extra safety, ensuring that organisms become non-viable. Let's take a look at the ozone's way through the system. Air is led to the UV lamps inside the reactors. The UV irradiation generates ozone, which is led to the ozone injector. Here, the ozone is mixed into a substream of the ballast water, which is then led back into the main ballast water line. Before the ballast water is led to the ballast tank or pumped overboard, it passes through a static mixer, which ensures complete absorption of the ozone. The DESMI Ocean Guard Ballast Water Treatment System is available at flow rates ranging from 100 cubic meters per hour to 3,000 cubic meters per hour, fitting almost every vessel requirement. Each individual DESMI Ocean Guard solution will be tailor-made to meet the requirements of both the vessel and you. The DESMI Ocean Guard system is available from pure component supply through to a full turnkey project solution. Options include freshwater capability, EX certification, scalability, material types. All you need to decide is which system composition to choose. The ballast water treatment system can be integrated into the existing ballast water system in different ways. The treatment system can be delivered containerized, skid-mounted, or for being placed specifically to your vessel's requirements. Delivery of the system in components provides maximum flexibility in the way the system is fitted on the ship. Filter, UV reactors, and a control cabinet can be placed individually, in order to make best use of any unused space. A few small components are usually much easier to integrate in the existing engine room layout than one large unit. It is often a good solution, especially on container vessel retrofits, to place the DESMI Ocean Guard system in a container and then place the container in the bottom of the cargo hold in front of the engine room. DESMI Ocean Guard has experience with doing this type of retrofit while the vessel is in operation. All piping and connections are prepared during a voyage, whereafter the container is simply put into the correct slot during a normal port stay. Containerized solutions can also be considered on tanker retrofits with significant space limitations, where the container can be placed on the deck of the vessel. DESMI Ocean Guard offers a superior solution for the removal of living organisms from ballast water.